Okay, here are two Ruud Achiever central air conditioning units at a church, I think. This is actually right by where I used to live a long time ago. And I've checked out these units before, but I've never gotten a video of them. But yeah, it's a Ruud Achiever unit. It's got an ECM fan motor. GE, I'm assuming. Yeah, I'm assuming it has a GE. Yeah, there's two of these units here. This is from 2010, and this is a 4-ton. And has it been on? I don't think so. This one hasn't. And this one's the same thing. 2010 4-ton. Well, actually, no, this has a Gentech fan motor. Same thing, though. GE's made by Gentech. Or Gentech's made by GE. But yeah, pretty cool units. Unfortunately, they're not running, so... But just decided to get a quick video of these. Pretty cool units, honestly. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching.